In today's video, we're going to be talking about this awesome combo kit from the folks over at MXL, and I'm going to show you guys why this could be the best deal on the market. So let's take a look. How's it going, everybody? My name is Michael Panetta, and this is Tech Examined, and if you're looking for any real-world reviews on the latest gadgets and tech, this is the place to be. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell to make sure that you get the next video. So we're going to take a quick peek at what comes in this combo, but really what I want to do is show you guys this in action. I think this thing is absolutely awesome. I've messed around with it a little bit. You got your instructions in there, a nice cleaning cloth, and the microphone itself, which has some great weight to it. It comes with this shock mount-esque style here, along with a nice thread, and then you've got the reducer in there as well. And that's pretty much it. Nice carrying case, I gotta say. The other item that comes in this kit allows you, if you don't have a mixer, you can actually use this and hook it up to your computer. Comes with the attachment, which will go into your microphone, and you got your USB cable here. Now, the nice thing about this is phantom powered, even though this microphone does not require phantom powered. And we'll get into a little bit of that later on once I'm discussing this. Very, very cool. This is the boom arm. Now, most boom arms that you see is just the arm itself. You've got some great tension on here. We've all seen what most people use is the Rode mic arm, which I even had that. But there's something different about this one. The wire is included. It's actually run through here for you, which gives you a nice clean look, which I love. And they give you enough extension here to plug into a mixer, or in this case, we're going to be using this adapter to go into the computer. And I'll show you both setups there. On the other side, they do give you a nice room here to be able to hook up or whatever it is that you're running on here, but we'll take a look at that in a second. They also include a couple possible mounting options. If you have a desk, but you don't have a like, you know, the thick part here or whatever to put on, you can do a more permanent solution where you can screw it into the desk. Or if you have that option, you can go ahead and use this arm here to link on the side of the desk, and then you drop the microphone arm in there. I will go ahead and hook all that up. I'll show you guys real quick, but we'll get into the audio samples, which I think you will be pleasantly surprised, and then we'll talk price. So here we go. The new microphone is all hooked up. We're going to be doing the rest of the video from this so you guys can get an idea of how it sounds. As far as specs go, I'm not really going to go over those for the simple fact that for most people they are pretty confusing. I will put them down below if you want to check them out for those who might be interested. I want you to hear what this sounds like and how I can use this. Now, the nice thing is you do have the ability to go to the side here a little bit. You do lose a little bit of bass compared to pushing it towards the front, but you don't lose a whole lot going towards the side if that's how your setup will be. The nice thing is you don't necessarily need to stay super close to get a quality audio out of this, and I don't feel like you're straining to have yourself heard while you're using this microphone as well. Right now, this setup is going into my mixer. What I want to do now is switch over and show you guys this adapter, which will go from the XLR to a USB right into your computer. And that way, if you don't have a mixer, you still have the ability to adapt from a XLR style, and it gives you the benefits down the road if you do decide to hook up. But if you're on the road and you don't want to take your mixer, you can still bring your favorite microphone, and we'll see how this sounds. So it's officially hooked up to the MicMate Pro. I have the gain set, I have my headphones set, and plugged into the back. It allows me to monitor what's going on. And what I did was I took the XLR from the back of the boom arm, and I just ran it down so we can go ahead and set the unit down to the side. Whether you're plugging it into a laptop and you've got this set on a stand, you can use this at the end of the XLR. You don't need to plug it into the back here, which I made the mistake earlier. Thanks, Jay. Appreciate that. And here is how this works. This does have phantom power in it. So if you have a mic that requires phantom power, this can handle it. In most cases, if you have phantom power enabled or turned on, a mic that doesn't require it doesn't work or doesn't work very well at all. In most cases, for me, doesn't work at all. The idea that this has phantom power in it works twofold. It allows for the processing and the mic to actually give you that sound that we're hearing of it technically going through a mixer. And of course, because you have the phantom power, you can do the monitoring on it as well. I think it sounds absolutely awesome. I've messed with this earlier. It could technically replace the mixer. Now, obviously the mixer does a lot of things when I'm here at home. So besides the studio, this is perfect for on the road. Whether you're doing podcasting, gaming, voiceovers, recording music, this does it all in a compact form, and it just sounds good. The proof is in the pudding. You're listening to this, we had it hooked through the mixer, and it sounds absolutely awesome. So now, let's talk about price. $300 for this whole setup. You got the mic, the boom arm, the XLR included in the boom arm, as well as the MicMate Pro. So individually, these run about $170 for the microphone, about $70 to $80 for the boom arm, and this unit itself, I believe, is about $100. Don't quote me on that, and don't judge my math here. I'm guessing $350, $360, something like that. But I'll put the link for the kit down below. I don't think you can go wrong for the value that you get out of this and how this sounds. So I want to thank MXL for sending this kit out for review. In the meantime, if you want to check out this video right here, that is my favorite video, and one right here on top of me, that's one that YouTube suggested. And of course, hit that subscribe button. You guys take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.